grade. This is Dream Factory News. We're your hosts, Zach Nowen
and Cambry Serna.
This week we'll be talking about rescheduled events, the effect of sports and education, and CA grade's cell phone policy. For your first bit of news...
Why didn't the Romans find algebra challenging?
Why?
Because X was always 10.
Okay. Anyways, please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Grade's mission. CA Grade's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's news.
Last week, Hurricane Ian came through. We're not quite through hurricane season yet. More may be on the way, so make sure to keep an eye out. This week expect strong storms and slightly cooler weather. Today is going to be 80 degrees. Tomorrow, the temperature will be 82 degrees. Wednesday through Friday, it will be 81 degrees with the evening being in the 50s. Back to you, Jackie Kimber.
Some of last week's events were rescheduled. Spirit Week has been extended into this week. Today is Make It Wild Monday. Dress up in animal print or wear camo. Tuesday is Time Travel Tuesday. Dress up as a tourist or wear something that shows your dream vacation destination. Wednesday is Working Wednesday. Dress up as a worker or what you want to be when you grow up. Thursday is Throwback Thursday. Dress up in trends from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, or 2000s. And finally, Friday is Fan Frenzy Friday. Wear your best hog wild outfit.
The pep rally will be during 6th and 7th periods on Friday. The homecoming dance was rescheduled to this Saturday. Hope you brought your tickets.
The 8th grade band nights have been rescheduled for Monday, October 10th and Friday, October 14th. And last, the homecoming parade has been rescheduled for Thursday, October 13th.
Picture retakes are this Wednesday. Also, Kona Ice will be here. The Classic is $3, King is $4, Cowabunga is $5, and color changing is $6. Don't forget your money. Now for a PSA.
Bro, what is so funny? You know we have a quiz today.
A quiz?
You failed. You've got to start doing better.
You're a student first and an athlete second. I bet Naya learned her lesson today.
Hispanic Heritage Month celebrates the cultures and traditions of those who can trace their roots to Spain, Mexico, and the Spanish-speaking countries of Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. The annual celebration is observed from September 15 to October 15. September 15 is the anniversary of the independence of 5 Latin American countries: Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. Mexico celebrates its independence of September 16.
To help celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, we are challenging all first period classes to answer a trivia question each morning. If your class thinks they know the answer, have your teacher email Ms. Groby. The class that participates each day and has the most correct answers will win a treat. The question for today is, who was the first Hispanic female astronaut selected to go into space?
Hey Cambry, do you know the school rules about cell phones?
Well, I know we're not supposed to have them out during class. Let's check out the video on this week's featured rule: cell phones used in the classroom.
Moultrie Police Department is hosting a trunk or treat on Halloween. So dress up in your best costume and stop by the police department for some sweet treats.
This week's club rotation is FCCLA, Junior Key Club, Technology Club, Reading Club, Packer Leadership, Chess Club, and Anime Manga Club. The Anime Manga Club will be meeting this week in E103, the lab across the hall from the choir room. Their fearless leader, Miss Gilpin, welcomes Mr. Baker, Mr. Stinson, Miss Heidelberg, and Miss Lanier as new friends of the group.
Don't forget that Spirit Week has been extended. Picture retakes and Kona Ice are on Wednesday, and lots of things to be rescheduled due to Hurricane Ian.
That's it for today. This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.
This is bloopers for, bloopers.
And now we have the wild creature, Ladarius, strolling down the hallway. What's this? A natural predator.
Oh, stop recording. Stop recording.
Stop recording!
Stop recording! Put the camera down.